Let's take a look at the new Aputure 300D Mark II LED light. The Mark II is 20% brighter than the previous model. The long-awaited 0 to 100% stepless dimming control allows you to use the 300D Mark II in low-light environments or to overpower the sun. The yoke has been redesigned to allow 360-degree rotation of the light. Apurture combined the control box and ballast into an all-in-one design. This new design has no fan and is completely silent. For portable power, you can mount up to 2 V-mount batteries. The kit now comes with a quick-release clamp to easily mount the control box. The wireless antenna has been designed into the control box. The light has 8 built-in lighting effects: paparazzi, fireworks, lightning, fault bulb, TV, pulsing, strobe, and explosion. More are coming with a future firmware update. This is the new Aputure 300D Mark II.